correct me if I'm wrong. It's it's R-I-B, not R-I-A. Rest in animals though. So it means R-I-A. It should be rest in person. Because it's R-I-P.
Hoy, kanta daw lahat. Ang corny. 1, 2, 3, go!
Ang corny, ang corny, corny, corny. Ang corny, ang corny, corny, corny. Ang corny mo tonight, ang corny mo tonight.
What?
Nag-explain siya. Hindi nag-get si Kimberly. Lahat ng taon na natawa si Kimberly lang hindi. Ay, sorry.
Uy, Harlem Shake daw, uy.
Ano yun? Half daw ng 30 seconds. Isa lang gumagalaw. Half ng 30 seconds, isang gumagalaw. So we need to half the 30 seconds. So that half of the 30 seconds is 50 seconds. So during the 50 seconds, they're dance. Right? Isang dance. Alam mo yun dyan, di ba? Oh, gan.